In this video, I'll show you how you can use the task list in Google Calendar to keep track of your homework each day. So as you know by now, your teachers are putting homework for you in Google Calendar, and you will see those when you go to Calendar when you log into Google Apps. Right now I only have one class showing as an example. So let's say that it is Wednesday and I had science class and my homework is to finish the experiment. So what I'll do first is I'm going to click on my homework and look at the details. And I see that there are two things that my teacher wants me to do: finish the density experiment and also write observations on my blog. So what I need to do now is think, which of these things have I already done? Which do I need to do? I have already finished the density experiment in class. There's nothing that I have left to do, so I do not need to put this in my task list. But I haven't put observations in my blog, and so that is what I'm going to add to the task list. So I'll click the arrow here to go back, and the first thing I need to do is turn on the task list. If you don't see it, if you look here under My Calendars, and if you don't see that, click this little arrow. I'm going to click on Tasks, and you notice that it shows up over here on the right. You could type each task in over here, but I'm going to show you another way that I like better. I am going to first decide when do I want to do my homework. So if science is on Wednesday, I'm going to try to do my science homework Wednesday night. And so where I need to click is in this little space above here. If you click down here in the time area, it's not going to work the same. So if you don't have much space up here, it just might be a little small, but you have to click right here, and then a window pops up. Click on Task, and I'm going to write in my homework, put observations in blog, create task. And you'll notice that it shows up here under Wednesday with the checkbox. It also shows over here under my task list. So let's say that I do my homework tonight. When I want to check off that I've done my homework, I can click a little check mark. And there it is, I've done my homework. But let's say that I didn't get to it tonight, but I know that I'll do it tomorrow night. So if I didn't get to it on Wednesday, what I can do is click and drag my to-do task to Thursday. And now it's under Thursday. And this is how you can keep track each day of what homework you're going to do that day. And if you need to move things, you can click and drag. And now on Thursday, once I've done my homework, I click a check mark and it is finished. So that's how you can use the task list to keep track of your homework. When you have some time, you can click around over here and look at different options that you have for sorting and making other lists other than your main list.